So let's write a test case. So you don't have a test case management tool. That's okay. We can use a Google Sheet or an Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to use a Google Sheet. And you really do want to make a title page. So I have Google Sheets opened up here and I've created a title page. So you'd want to put maybe your project name here. So, login page is what we're going to work on. The module is basically login. If there's any reference documents created by, you'd enter your name here. The date of creation would be today, and then the date of review. And the reason why there's a date of review is because it's very important to have your documents reviewed. If you're going to write a test case or multiple test cases, you would want to have them reviewed. You'd want to have them reviewed by the product manager or any stakeholders, really, project manager, product manager, business analyst, and other testers or lead testers that you might have. But we're going to write a test case. And these are the columns that you need to write a test case. A test case ID is very important because you want each test case to have a unique ID, a unique identifier. Your test scenario, what exactly is it that you're testing? We're going to be verifying successful login. The actual test case, we're going to actually enter in a valid username and a valid password. What are the preconditions? The preconditions are we need to have a valid login, username, and password. And what are the steps that we are going to execute? We're going to enter a username, we're going to enter a password, and then we're going to click on the login button. What is the test data that we need? For the username, you're going to need a valid username. For the password, you're going to need a valid password. And the reason you don't actually write the password here and actually write the username here is because you're going to keep those on a different document so that you can pull from a list of names, valid usernames that you've already have established in one place. That way you don't have to keep track of them. If they ever do change, you have them in one document, maybe another sheet here. You don't have to remember which sheets to go in to change. Once you execute, you're going to write the expected result. And ours was a successful login. What actually happened? What was the actual result? Well, in my particular scenario, the dashboard page appears. And then the status, did it pass or fail? It's real important to fill out pass and fail. Be consistent. You're either going to put the whole word pass or the whole word fail, or a P or an F, but be consistent because you're going to want to use this column to filter for as you're executing. Because if you have 100 test cases, you're going to want to very quickly be able to filter for all the ones that have passed, all the ones that have failed, and all the ones that have not yet been executed. So it's very important to keep this information consistent. But that's all you need to write test cases, is you need to keep yourself organized with these column headers on a spreadsheet and have this pass fail so that you can keep yourself organized as you're testing. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, put down in the comments if you have other videos that you'd like me to do, and I look forward to seeing you again. Have a great day.